How to add accessories in Roblox Studio. So first you want to open up Roblox Studio and then open up your experience or create a new one if you don't have one already. So I'm going to use this one for example. So first you will need to add a rig or an avatar to this game by click on the toolbox, and in here you want to set it to models and then click or search for rig and press enter. And then I'd like to use the R15 rig, which is this one right here. Drag it and drop it into the level. Now to add accessories, you will need to click on the plugins on the top right here, and then click on manage plugins, and then click on the plus button. Then on the toolbox, you will need to switch it to plugins and then search for accessory or accessories. And then you want to use this accessory inserter by Colo MC. So click on it and then click on install. And once it's installed, you want to close this and then click on insert accessories at the top here. And then you will simply need to specify the accessory ID and click on apply. So to get accessories IDs, you will need to open up the browser and head to roblox.com and make sure you're signed in. Then you want to click on the marketplace on top navigation. And then basically you want to search for the accessory that you want to add to your character. So for example, I'm going to add this Gucci hat right here. Now the accessory ID is usually this number right here after the catalog slash, and this is the number, which is the accessory ID. So you want to copy it and then go back to the studio, paste the ID right here, and then click on apply. And you should see the accessory pop up in our character's head. And you can basically do this with any accessories that you want for different parts of the body. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.